Alright, up on the chopping block today. Bombing Science Graffiti Writers Pack number 2. So you're supposed to get this tote, which I already opened the box, but whatever. You get this tote, you get 5 random colors of flame orange, which is their high output. I've never used it before, so we're going to do a review on that shit too. So let's see what we got. Well, you guys can see what I got. I already seen it. Mustard. And these look like a pink dot, like Fat Cat. Fatty Bo Blatty. I don't know what the blue ones are yet, but we'll try them all out. We're going to try these out too. They're all the same. All the same caps and shit. We got Sage. Bam. We got Cocoa Light. Bam. We got Grass Green. Bam. And the last can, random colors. These are actually good random pick. Aqua. I got another video where I think I got kind of shafted. I ordered 18 random colors of flame blue, and they were garbage. I mean, they're good. They're complementary colors. You kind of need them. They're all off. They're either real dark or real light. But check out another video that I got if you want to see those. Oh yeah, what else we got? Little grog catalog. Get you one. Cool. Anything else in here? Nope. Alright, that's that. Nope. Like I said, we're going to be reviewing all this shit. Check out my other videos. Peace.